If you want to become a better runner, pick up a jump rope. And in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly why.
Jumping rope is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that increases your heart rate and cardiovascular endurance. This translates to better stamina and endurance when running, allowing you to maintain your pace for longer without getting winded.
For instance, if you find it difficult to run for 10 minutes, you may be able to run for 20 minutes after 2 weeks of jumping rope consistently.
Remember, if you're looking for any of the equipment that you see in this video, you happen to be curious what is that jump rope, it's in the description box below. You can find it there. Jumping rope engages the muscles in your leg, particularly the calves, quads, and hamstrings. These muscles play a crucial role in running, and by strengthening them through jumping rope, you can generate more power with each stride and reduce the risk of fatigue during runs.
Jumping rope can help you improve your muscle mass, and this can help you become a better runner because it'll help you with your endurance and your strength. If you want to know all the ways that jumping rope affects your body, check out the link I have below where I explain exactly that. Jumping rope helps you get better coordination and balance, which are essential for running better. Improved balance can prevent you from tripping over obstacles as you run.
Skipping involves quick and repetitive footwork. This can enhance your foot speed and agility, which can benefit you when changing pace, navigating obstacles, or sprinting during a run. Jumping rope is not only physically demanding, it's also mentally challenging, requiring supreme focus. This mental toughness can carry over to your running workouts and races, helping you push through discomfort and fatigue.
If you want to learn more about the mental benefits of jumping rope, check out the video I have down below where I explain all the ways jumping rope can not only make you mentally tougher, but it can make you just better at working out.
Jumping rope is a form of plyometric exercise. Plyometrics involve rapid muscle contractions, which can enhance your explosiveness and power. This can be especially helpful for sprinters and hill running, where explosive strength is essential. Jumping rope can help with weight management by burning a significant number of calories in a short period. Maintaining a healthy weight can make running feel more comfortable and efficient as you carry less excess weight during your runs. To get the most benefits from jumping rope, consider incorporating it into your overall workout routines. You can use it as a warm-up before your runs or as a separate workout on cross-training days. Start slowly, gradually increasing the intensity and duration of your jump rope sessions to avoid overuse injuries. Always remember to wear appropriate footwear and use proper jumping techniques to prevent injuries.
Weighted jump ropes can be your best friend in getting in shape and putting you in that runner shape. It'll give you just the resistance that you need along with cardio to help you get better. If you want to really get in shape, you probably want a weighted jump rope. Check this video out right here where I explain all the ways a weighted jump rope can help you out getting in better shape. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.